back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. This one is for my United States folks only. If you are global, international, outside of the United States, check my main channel page. I posted a job lead yesterday that is hiring worldwide. Also, down in the description below, there should be a playlist where all of the positions I've posted that are hiring globally are linked. And I will continue to look for positions that are hiring worldwide outside of the United States. But for now, today's job lead is from the Shriners Children's Hospital. They are hiring a contact center representative to work during the weekdays, during the overnight shift. So this is for those of you who already have a full-time day job and you're looking to pick up a second job, or you're looking to work in the nights. This position is Monday through Friday, 11 p.m. to 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time. So if you're outside of the Eastern Time Zone, you'll need to convert your time zone to that to see if that works for you. So this position, they are looking for someone who is bilingual in English and a second language, but it doesn't say what second language. I think it is any second language. If you can speak a second language, they are looking for Spanish, French, and Portuguese are highly preferred, but if you speak another language in addition to English, then this is for you. You do have to speak two languages though, but they are looking for someone to handle all incoming telephone calls in a professional manner, communicate with patients in a clear manner regarding potential patient referral sources via the phone, respond accurately answering questions and offering additional information, gather the patient information from the referring source, and maintain patient confidentiality with the HIPAA regulations. Now, they will have other duties such as document patient information and assigning patient referrals to the best fit location. Other than being bilingual, they do need someone who has 2 years of medical practice work experience, and someone who has 1 year of medical terminology knowledge is preferred. They do require a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree is required. Now, it does say that you have to be COVID vaccinated, even though this is a work from home position. If you are not bilingual and this position was not a great fit for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for in any education and experience that you have, because I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.